Ready? Skibido. Well,
hello there, ladies and gentlemen. The hiking Vikings are on their way back up to McAfee Knob for a little day hike on our way south. And oh, it's super exciting. Honey, how do you feel?
I can't even express. Overwhelmed, enjoyed. I feel enjoyed.
She's enjoyed. But yeah, this is really exciting to be back on the AT. We just finished, packing yesterday or the day before, and we drove 7.5 hours yesterday, stayed in a hotel in Daleville, the same hotel that we stayed at when we were hiking. And now we're back on the trail, and just moments into starting to walk, we realized we forgot our trekking poles. Bubba, hey, you see the deer? Look at it go. See the deer? You see the deer? One day, maybe, one day, he'll stay awake for the hike. Annie!
What?
What? We haven't been hiking in the rain
Since Maine!
How you doing back there, buddy? He's all bundled up. So, McAfee Knob was cool, but it was really windy and it started to rain, and we got rained out and hazed out again for the second time. But who cares? It was fun. Asher got his first hike on the Appalachian Trail, but we were just thinking about how when we were in Maine, we knew it was the last day we were gonna get rained on, and we were laughing. And since then, we have not been hiking in the rain, and we get a chance to hike in the rain again. And it feels good, it feels natural. It's great. Ooh, be careful, honey.
You got the baby in it.
Okay. Bye, I gotta set the camera off. I like it, I dig it, I want more of it.